It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning, the 9th of September. I'm James Spann. Our uneventful weather continues across Alabama in the Deep South today and really for much of this week, and the tropics trying to heat up. Let's go in there and check out the scenes this morning from the Skycam network. These were captured at 5 a.m. Start with a look at the Skycam from Jasper. Things are quiet there. There's the Fayette Skycam. Again, the sky is clear, and down south, that's our Skycam at Daphne on the eastern shore of Mobile Bay. Well, if you're a cool weather fan, that certainly doesn't look good for you. A large upper high is centered over Missouri and Arkansas, and that's pushing the storm track way north up on the Canadian border. A nice wave up there is causing a big flare of convection over the Dakotas, where there's some flash flood and severe thunderstorm potential this morning. Also note the frost and freeze advisories for the northeast United States. That's a sign of the times. Convective outlook got a standard slight risk of severe weather way up north, parts of Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan. And tomorrow, a small risk for parts of upstate New York. Rain, not very much. It's turned kind of dry after that wet summer. This is suggesting maybe a tenth or a quarter of an inch for North Alabama between now and Saturday morning. Nothing for the southeastern part of the state. Bigger rains back in the southwest United States. Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado. All right, let's pick at the tropics here. What's left of Gabrielle is trying to show some convection flaring again east of the Bahamas, but if anything develops out there, that's going to move northeast and not affect the United States. New system on the board is Umberto, a new tropical storm that developed out of that wave that came off the coast of Africa. The thing is pretty close to the Cape Verde Islands, and that is a higher latitude system. And here's a look at the INSEP ensemble guidance. Pretty good idea or consistency in the idea of the thing turning north. It'll be forced north, tries to take a bend back to the west, and then turns north again. All of this over the open Atlantic in the middle of nowhere and closer to Europe than the United States. Here's the official track from the Hurricane Center. They do ramp it to a hurricane by tomorrow night. It'll be interesting to see when that exactly happens and see if this can be the year with the latest first hurricane on record. I think the 11th is the record, which is Wednesday. It'll be a close call, might be a tie. But again, I just don't think that'll be a problem for us at all. All right, model fans, let's take a look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is the OZ run at 1 o'clock today. Upper high centered over the Ozarks, and down below that, the GFS looks awfully dry. High-res NAM looks awfully dry. We've seen some looks over the weekend that suggested maybe a few showers today, and I guess it's possible, but obviously with maps that look like that, don't expect a lot. Tomorrow's same thing. Looks pretty dry. Could there be a shower? Yes, but if they form, they should be pretty widely spaced. Highs up around 90. This is Wednesday. Thursday. Again, the chance of rain is not zero, but most of you stay dry, and this is Friday. Look at the nice cool air mass pushing down from the north. Hey, that'll feel good. That's going to make things a little different here, I think, for the weekend. In fact, let's go to Saturday. Nice trough over the northeast United States, and down below that, the air should be cooler this weekend. Highs dropping into the mid-80s, maybe low 80s for the Tennessee Valley with lower humidity and cooler nights. There's a look at Sunday. Again, any showers that try and come in the moisture return would be very widely spaced. I guess, again, the chance of rain not zero, but widespread rain Sunday not expected. And here's Monday of next week, a week from today. I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower, but it's just that, a slight chance. And we note down there in the Bay of Campeche, some type of tropical action trying to get its act together. Go out there a couple of more days. This is Wednesday the 18th. That thing is moving into Mexico. So it's been kind of the pattern. These little systems try and form down there, and they drift west without having much time to develop. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is the 24th of September. Still got ridging here. The westerlies are up north, and down below that, a tropical system over the Bahamas. But if by chance this map happens to be correct, Alabama would be dry as could be. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. And if you can, catch us on ABC 3340 News this evening on the live stream or the television side at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.